Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your old jeans into a skirt for 5 to 6 years old girl. This is an old jeans. First I will open its old parts. First I will remove its upper part. After cutting, I will keep it at a side. I will work on the lower part first. Now we have a pair of pants. Actually, pair of pants is a separate section joint at the top for each leg. We will open its side seams and the inner seams. This is the inner seams. I will open it first and after that I will open its side seams. This is the bottom hem which is useless, so I am removing it. I need the 8 inches length, so I am removing the extra fabric from the side seams in order to take the perfect measurement. Now I am cutting off the extra fabric. After cutting and taking measurement of pant parts, I will keep aside one pant part. I will use it afterwards. Now first I will join the all parts, these three parts together. As you see that I have sewn all three parts together, and now I will join the lace. I have same color lace, so I will join that lace on a hem of that skirt. Now hem is completed. Now it's time to make a pleats. In that I will make a box pleat with the help of this fork. It's very easy. First leave a 1 inch from the beginning and flip over the fabric and pin it. Please, one thing keep in mind, you are making the box pleats. So first you flipped over your fork right side. For second pleat, your fork would be flipped over on left side in order to make perfect box pleats. Now take the fork and flip over the fabric on left side. Now pin it and check from the back side. Pleats edges are equal. Now repeat same process and complete all box pleats. Meanwhile, you should check back sides as well. All box pleats edges should be equal. Now it's time to sew the pleats. Lower part of skirt is completed. It's time to make a upper part of skirt. For this I will remove some parts from the upper part of jeans. First I will remove the fly of jeans. The fly is the opening part of the middle of the band, which is used to hide the zipper or button attached in there. This part is useless for me. Now I am going to remove the back yoke of the jeans, which is very useful for me right now. I will attach this part in my skirt. I am removing back yoke with the belt loop also. It is removed. Now this is the time to sew the fourth part of the pant, which I kept aside. I am going to make the waistband with the help of this part, fourth part of the pant. As you see, I am going to sew the back yoke with the waistband in order to make the upper part of the skirt. Upper part of skirt is ready. I have attached both parts together with the help of pins. You can see these. These pins will help me to stitch easily. You can do it also. It's up to you. This is the back side of the skirt. You can see the back yoke of the jeans. It look good. This is the time to sew it, but very slowly and gently. Now skirt is ready. After iron, it look like this. Now take this safety pin and stop it in this elastic, and this elastic will go through in waistband. This is the time to sew these in order to secure the both ends. This skirt is ready now. This is the front side and this is the back side. Some fabric was remained, so I made this jeans fabric butterfly. If you want to make it, you can watch my video. Link is mentioned in description. I pasted on this skirt as an embellishment. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page as well. Thank you. Bye bye.